Today we have the 2010 Skoda Yeti. This vehicle has done just over 88,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have hands-free calling and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, to the left we can access our radio, media, smartphone integration. On the right we have map, navigation, traffic and setup. Just below is our AC, as well as our parking sensors and off-road. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather cream interior and get a good view of our panoramic roof.